Trenitalia delle ore 10:08 proveniente da Napoli Centrale e diretto a Torino Porta Nuova e in arrivo al binario 9. Attenzione.
This is me, Roma Termini, and heading for the day to Florence. First timer, no big deal, should be good. I heard it's a beautiful little town, and happy days. Train comes about 10:20.
Train 93
Takes about an hour. Hasn't showed up yet.
With scheduled arrival of 10.08 hours.
This is 250 kilometers an hour. Actually, just slowed down. It is 250k an hour at its best. Beautiful scenery.
Oh, yes.
And that is it. Dear, oh dear. They're through to the semis.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Okay.
Good man. This guy's looked after me with the cricket.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I'll be on my
Thank
way to
you.
Florence. Thanks, mate.
Thank you, sir.
Well, magnificent. The first store I walk into, I get these wonderful sunnies. And he's playing the England game. England versus Sri Lanka, and it means that England will now, after winning that game, England will now go through to the semi-finals and put Australia out. So it'll be Australia out, England and New Zealand in one part of the equation, and South Africa and India possibly in the next. Good times. Well, the Italian flag is flying high. That's the world's ugliest train station in Florence. I've arrived, but I have heard it's extremely beautiful here. So, barring the train station, that looks like just a large brick with doors, we'll head into the main centre in the town, check this place out. Absolutely amazing in terms of the trip getting here, going at 250 clicks an hour, and seeing the beautiful countryside of Italy. And it was good fun. That's an experience in itself, well worth doing. But I'll take another video of that going back for 30 seconds or so, but you know, come and see it for yourself. Cost about €30 to get here and 30 back. That's life. It's pretty good. And a beautiful old city centre of Florence. Condor music, Peruvian. Not sure why Peruvian music is being played here in Florence, but it's stunning music nonetheless. And this is the main square, I think. Better give them some money, I suppose. Or I could just walk on slowly. Yes, I'll do that. The main square. Immaculate. Beautiful old architecture, as I always say. I just love those balconies. Oh, look at them. Just makes the building, eh? Beautiful balconies. Imagine sitting up there all day with a little wine. Fantastic stuff. Watching the world go by. Whew, it's good fun. Well, I've seen this from about 700 metres out down this very, very long, beautiful street. And I don't profess to knowing how old it is, what the name of the church is, but a picture paints 1,000 words, and I'm seeing this for the first time. And if you haven't been here, you've seen it for the first time. That's raw travel. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. The intricacies are just astonishing. Absolutely astonishing intricacies. Oh, there's an Irish pub. Dear, oh dear. Oh, we'll be doing a walking tour. I won't be going to an Irish pub. But the walking tour is on my own, and it's the only way to see it from feet level. But impressive Florence. What a good start. The Cathedral of Santa Maria of Florence. Lucky I know a little Italian. Well, I guess it's the Cathedral of Santa Maria of Florence. But beautiful. Cathedral del Santa Maria del Florencia. That's my Italian. Look at that. What a place. People lined up to get in. I'm not going to be going in there. It's a waste of 2 hours. We'll go and explore down this way. Let us go. There's a few people out today, fair to say. It was a little inclement in Rome, but the sun's out and it's blue skies galore as we pulled up into Florence. So happy days. People taking selfies. So it's okay to take a bit of a video here. Look at that. Well, the beauty of Florence is tiny little pathways and massive basilicas and cathedrals. That cathedral has to be the most amazing, impressive one in the world. I'm not into cathedrals, but that was amazing. I walked around it. Took me 12 minutes. I'm a big strapping unit, but that thing towered over me. But it's the little alleyways that are great as well. Plenty of options for food and drink. About €55 for a big steak and a beer. It's quite a lot. So I won't be going there, but it'll be a good time. It's 1 kg steak, yes. But I tell you what, it's hustle and bustle. Slight incident pouring the head there, but that's okay. It doesn't bloat you that way, and not a bad spot to have a couple of beers and a turkey sandwich. So on that note, here's cheers. Bit up Marelli. A wonderful player. I've just discovered on Google Maps that there's a fair river around here, and I'm going to explore the bridges. But that is impressive cathedral. Wonderful stuff. There are people up there. Well, they waited 2 hours in line. I suppose they deserve a bit of a view. I was going to explore the alleyways, but I'll go and walk over 5 bridges. There's one thing I love. There's 2 things I love: balconies and bridges. There you go. And a beer. The 3 Bs. Unusual tip jar in Florence, but a good beer. Unusual. Good. Very good. Yeah. Well, I've got all 3 bridges, balconies and beers, and it's unheard of how cool this place is. Unheard of, I tell you. Look at the hordes of people. Unheard of. Whoops. Watch the step. Freddie Mercury there. Wonderful. So that place just tacked on. Wonderful stuff. Doesn't look to be too deep, but A river runs through it. A river runs through every significant centre, I believe. Well, some sort of castle over there. And finally on the bridge. Finally on the bridge. I said I'd walk over all 5. It might take me 5 hours to do that. I haven't got 5 hours. But nice old river. No exits down there. There's a few people down there. I don't know how they've got the access, but it's blocked off. And superb. I'm going to head across the road. Whoops, these guys are going to hate me. They're going to hate me. They hate me. I've just pulled the calf muscle as well. Good work. That's okay. No drama. What a beautiful spot, Florence. What more can I say? It's a compact area. Fortunately, I'm a fast walker. Can step off both feet. And it's required when there's an abundance of people here. So that's my take on Florence. Got to be able to step off both feet and not go across the bridge and hinder the traffic flow. Anyway, that's a beautiful part of the river. Beautiful laneway. Beautiful markets. Wonderful church. And I tell you what, I've just gone to this place. There's no tables, so I'll just walk around the markets. Actually went to the bathroom, El Baño, and said, I'll have a beer here without a doubt. And I slyly walked out. It's okay though, because that's a great sight of Florence. Who's this joker down here? They love their statues. The beauty of getting lost is finding wonderful statues and squares cheapers. I tell you what, the bloody pigeons are attacking me. And beautiful squares like this are found because of being a lost man, a loser, so to speak. And well, it's quite fantastic. A big horse. The sun is still shining bright. I told you what, those shades, they're a crucial element to society. And now they're not. Yes, they are. No, they're not. Oh, who's this guy? Whoop. Dear, oh dear. Who's this chap? Oh, old Ferdinand. Yeah, wonderful player. Right, I'll head back to the station. It's been a wonderful day. Museum of Santa Maria. Beautiful. Some roadworks and construction. Taken away from, and buses. Taken away from the beauty of this little square here. Find out who this joker is as well. Wonderful player. And then we look down towards the wonderful streets. That's Florence. Well, it's going to take a shot of the sunset, and it was up. Then we went through 3 tunnels. landscape. That's me signing out from Florence. Train to Rome. 247 clicks, 248. Just cruising. I got my beer. I got my Pringles. The sunset has just departed. It's set. And that is me signing out this time, once and for all. Those were our people today. It's Gregorio tonight.